Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Yan, kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Water sign, let's start your reading. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Two of Swords is here. Yan. Knight of Swords. The World. Nakakita ko dito ng pagpaplano or pag-iisip, pagdidesisyon na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. You do have the Knight of Swords. Maybe this is what you want. This is yung gusto mo. And I feel like gusto, yung iba hindi naman sinabi kung abroad. Pwede rin namang malapitang travel. Pwedeng via wheels or kahit malapit lang or basta something na dadayuhin. Basta may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. Pwedeng ito yung nasa isip mo ngayon. And with the world, that is your main energy. Ano yung advice regarding dito? You do have the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Okay. Tell me more. Eight of Cups and the Emperor is here. Maybe yung iba sa inyo magta-travel because you want to see this, the Emperor energy. Maybe this is a boss or someone na nasa mataas na posisyon. Maybe this is someone na could be magulang, ganyan, or relatives. Yung iba boss, basta this is someone na mataas or may power siya over you. Well, the Page of Swords and the Page of Wands. Yung iba, for some of you, the advice is mag-ipon, the Four of Pentacles. If you really want this to happen, kailangan mag-ipon ka muna. And with the Page of Wands, yan, I can see communication, messages na parang dapat pagtuunan mo ng pansin. And with the Page of Swords, regarding sa pagta-travel, high chance mangyari ito in the future for you. Pero yun nga, ang pinaka-advice is mag-ipon. The moon is here. So, yeah, the moon is also telling me about pagta-travel via sea or via plane, basta something na malayo. I mean, there's a potential na ito yung makapagpabago ng buhay mo. Okay? Kung yung travel ay may kinalaman sa ganon. And may nakukuha tayo, high chance na may mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo na parang masasaktan, malulungkot sa pagkawala mo. Then maybe there's a big change for you. So kung matutuloy itong travel na ito, maganda. Or kung itutuloy mo, kung gagawin mo ng paraan or action ito. So, any messages pagdating sa love for water sign, please? Any messages pagdating sa love? Okay, the messages for you is the Four of Wands. Kukuha pa tayo ng mga cards. The Eight of Wands is also here. Tell me more. The Tower is also here. Three of Cups. Ayan. And the Seven of Swords. Okay, so anyway, nakakakita. If you're in a relationship, I can see a lot of communication. Magandang komunikasyon. Okay? High chance na mag-level up yung connection or yung relationship ninyo nitong person na ito. maybe in the near future, yung mga kaibigan niya or vice versa, pwedeng kaibigan mo, family mo, kaibigan mo or family mo, and or vice versa, pwedeng sa kanya naman, is mapalapit sa bawat isa sa inyo. So, high chance na mag-level up ang connection na ito. Okay? Kung may karelasyon ka, papunta siya sa maganda. Okay? And, for some of you, maybe if you're already married, I can see a lot of happiness. Maging open ka lang sa person mo, yun lang. Hindi yung magpipigil ka na magpipigil tapos kung kailan ka lang napuno, saka mo sasabihin lahat, wag. Maging open ka. Kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin sa kanya para medyo ang tawag dito, malimitahan or maiwasan yung away or yung problema. Yun lang yun. And then, which is hindi naman natin nakikitang mangyayari yon. Binibigyan ka lang ng advice na na maging open. Kasi not in the near future, but maybe in the far future, no, mga ilang taon pa ang bibilangin. Pero dahil sa kung hindi ka magiging open sa kanya, ayan, pwedeng malaman mo pa sa kaibigan niya or malaman pa niya mula sa kaibigan mo o mga taong nakakilala sa'yo kung ano talaga nasa isipan mo. So, maging open ka lang. Pagdating, if you're single, I can see an ending of a friendship or relationship with a friend or someone na importante sa'yo. Because etong taong to, meron siyang, with the 7 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, I can see problem na dala-dala ng taong ito. Or maybe may mga gagawin siyang hindi maganda na magiging dulot or magdudulot ng ending ng connection or ng relasyon ninyo. Okay, bilang magkaibigan. Ano yung advice dito? Actually, the advice dito with the 5 of Swords, hindi ko nakikitang maitutulong ka eh. Kasi kung nangyari na, nagawa na yung mga mali, yung mga hindi niya dapat gawin, siya dapat ang, you cannot undo the time here. Harapin niya to. 'Di ba? Wala kang magagawa dito. Kung mag-e-end yung relasyon nyo or ang connection nyo, yun ay dahil malaking pagbabago ang mangyayari sa buhay ng taong ito. At siya dapat ang umayos noon. Regarding sa'yo, there's a new person. Yeah, if you're single, there's a new person waiting for you with the Ace of Cups. May naghihintay sa'yo na pwedeng magbibigay ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. And tell me about this. It could be a new relationship, new person. Na with the 9 of Pentacles, I can see a lot of money, a lot of like friendship sa inyo nitong taong to. Ayan, oh. And with the 10 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, someone here might be maraming obligasyon, maraming problema. And that could be the person na bagong dadating sa'yo. May hiya, pero I can see you being a friend, a real friend sa taong ito. And pwedeng ito yung magsimula or maging simula sa magandang connection ninyo. So, ituloy mo lang. Kung ano man ito. Kasi magaling ka mag-advise at totoo kang tao pagdating sa pag-advise mo. So, anyway, what is the messages for the future? Wait lang, hindi ko ito kukunin. Masyadong marami lumabas. What is the messages for the future? Okay, the future, you do have your 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, I told you, kung meron mang something na makakapagpa-improve sa'yo with the Queen of Swords at saka binabalik sa'yo to, the Ace of Pentacles, kung ano man itong bago na ito na pwedeng may kinalaman sa profession, career, maganda yung sinasabi dito kasi pwedeng hindi mo man makuha ngayon yung mga bagay na gusto mo, sooner or later, pwedeng makuha mo ito. Ayan. Okay, and the Death card is here. Endings brings new beginning. So, kung may mag-e-end man, may mas maswerteng dadating para sa'yo. Which is, yun nga, high chance ang pagta-travel for you. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.